Hello everyone, and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your function keys on Windows without needing to press the Fn key. And now let's get started. Sometimes, the Fn key on certain keyboards might not be working correctly. Fortunately, there is a straightforward way to enable your function keys directly within Windows. You can access the on-screen keyboard by pressing the Windows key, Control key, and the letter O key simultaneously. Once the on-screen keyboard appears, look for the function key option. If this option is highlighted in red, blue, or any other color, it indicates that it is activated. With the function key activated through the on-screen keyboard, you will be able to use your function keys for their intended purposes without the need to press the Fn key. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.